Hello everyone, Assalamu Walaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to create preset text box in Microsoft Excel. So let's start it. At first open your Excel document file. Firstly then going to the insert menu option. Now click on the text box option. Now create a text box. This text box is the background color. Now click on the format menu option and click on the shape fill option. Then choose color. Now preset text box is click on the shape effect option. Now click on the preset option. Then input choose style. Second. Then we show the current preset text box in Microsoft Excel. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks.